Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We all do gardening, and some of us have a common flower in our garden, and that common flower in our garden is vinca, periwinkle. It is also known as Sadabahar plant. Periwinkle plant needs less care and is very easy to grow, but it has a lot of benefits. Today I will talk about how to grow periwinkle plant, vinca rosea plant or Sadabahar plant by seeds and by cutting. As we have the periwinkle plant for about 5 years, we don't need to grow it by seed. The seeds fall by itself and the plant grows. This plant is grown by a seed and we are today going to repot it. We can also sow from the seed. It is very easy to sow the seeds. First, you have to scatter them on the ground. Second, you have to cover it with thin layer of potting soil and they will sprout about 2 to 3 weeks. When your plant will have about 2 to 3 leaves, then that time you can finalize the repotting. As Sadabahar plant is not a heavy feeder plant, so you can use 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost while potting. Now I will tell about how much to water this plant. Water this Sadabahar plant only when the surrounding soil becomes completely dry. Apply water from garden hose directly to the soil surrounding the plants. Do not splash water to the plant's foliage. Wet the soil to a depth. Remember to water your plants in the morning. Now I will tell how your plant will become more bushy and get more flowers. Clip off the terminal end of the plant's main stem to encourage lateral branching if the plant becomes tall and leggy. You can do this procedure when your plant is very small. My mom is showing how you can grow the plant from cutting. First, get a stem from a Sadabahar plant. Then, remove all the leaves except the leaves at the top. Simply plant it on the soil and you have grown a new Sadabahar plant. Remember to keep it in a shaded area and water it regularly. Now I will tell about the fertilizer. Fertilize the plants once a month with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and calcium-rich fertilizer. You can give fertilizers such as kitchen waste compost, banana peel fertilizer, and eggshell fertilizer. We have already uploaded a lot of videos about many fertilizers and how to make them. So you can go and watch those videos after watching these videos. Last but not the least, check the plant's leaves for aphids or mites when you water the plant. We have already uploaded a video about how to get rid of aphids or mites, so you can watch that video. Hope you liked the video, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.